Hi students, this session is for class 7 subject mathematics chapter 4 rational numbers, topics multiplication and division of rational numbers. Topics covered in this session are multiplication of rational numbers, properties of multiplication of rational numbers, division of rational numbers and properties of division of rational numbers. Multiplication of rational numbers. Look at this figure. There are some of the shapes and the shapes are divided into different pieces and fraction of each pieces are given here. All the fraction numbers are in rational number. Let us take that first piece 1 by 4. Now I want to divide this piece into half, and do you know the half of this piece? What is the rational number represent half of this piece? I don't know. I have to multiply and find it. Let us find 1 by 4 into 1 by 2. 1 by 2 represent half. Okay. So on multiplying we get 1 by 8. There is no common factor to cancel. So multiply the numerator with the numerator. We get 1 in the numerator. On multiplying denominators we get 8. Now half portion of 1 by 4 is 1 by 8. Okay. Another half portion also 1 by 8. Properties of multiplication of rational numbers. Closure property. The product of two rational numbers a by b and c by d is a rational number a into c divided by b into d. Let us take example 13 to prove this property. Find the product. First sum minus 3 by 5 and 6 by minus 7. Let a by b is equal to first fraction number minus 3 by 5 and c by d is equal to 6 by minus 7. Fraction numbers are in rational number. Okay. Now we have to find a by b into c by d. In the place of a by b, you have to substitute minus 3 by 5 and multiplication symbol. Then we have to substitute the value for c by d, which is 6 by minus 7. There is no common factor to cancel. So let us multiply the numerator with the numerator and denominator with the denominator. On doing so, we get minus 3 into 6 divided by 5 into minus 7. Now on multiplying, we get 18 by 35. 18 by 35 is also a rational number. So, rational numbers are closed under multiplication. If you multiply two rational numbers, the result will be a rational number. Commutative property. If a by b and c by d are two rational numbers, then a by b into c by d is equal to c by d into a by b. If you interchange the place and multiply means also, you will get the same result. Let us take example 13 sum to prove this property. Find the product of minus 7 by 9 and 3 by 5. Let a by b is equal to minus 7 by 9 and c by d is equal to 3 by 5. LHS side, what we have in LHS side? A by b into c by d. So on substituting the values for a by b and c by d, we get minus 7 by 9 into 3 by 5. Is there any common factor to cancel? Yes, of course. We can cancel 9 by 3. On doing so, we get 3 on denominator. Now we have to multiply and find the result. On multiplying, we get minus 7 by 3 into 5. Again, on multiplying the denominators, we get minus 7 by 15. Okay, let us check it whether the same result is coming for RHS also. Now in RHS side we have C by D into A by B. Let us substitute the values for C by D and A by B. So 3 by 5 into minus 7 by 9 are multiplied. Here also we have the common factor to cancel 9, which is 3. On multiplying the remaining number, we get minus 7 by 5 into 3. Again, on multiplying the denominators, we get minus 7 by 15. Therefore, LHS is equal to RHS. We got the same values. When we interchange the place and multiply means also we get the same values. Therefore, multiplication of rational numbers is commutative. If A by B is a rational number, A by B into 0 is equal to 0 is the third property. Let us see example 14. Find these product. First sum minus 2 by 7 into 0. You know very well that if you multiply a number with a 0, the result will be always 0. Likewise, in rational number also, when we multiply a rational number with a 0, we get result 0 itself. So, let us move on to the solution. Minus 2 by 7 into 0, we get 0 as a result. This property is called zero property. If A by B is a rational number, A by B into 1 is equal to A by B. This is the fourth property. And if you multiply a number with 1, you get the result same number. Okay, you know very well that the result will be the same number. Let us see an example. 14. Find these products. Second sum minus 5 by 12 into 1. Let's move on to the solution. Minus 5 by 12 into 1. On multiplying minus 5 by 12 into 1, we get minus 5 by 12 as the result. This property is called multiplicative identity. Exercise 4.4. Second Roman, find the products in each of the following. Third sum 3 by 4 into 12 by 15 into 5 by 8. Let's move on to the solution. The sum is 3 by 4 into 12 by 15 into 5 by 8. Is there any common factor to cancel the numbers? Yes, we can cancel 12 by 4. So on cancelling, we get 3 in the place of 12. Now we can cancel 15 by 5. So we get 3 in the place of 15. Again 3 get cancelled. There is no more common factor to cancel the numbers in this sum. So let us find the solution by writing the remaining numbers, which is 3 by 8 as the solution for this sum. Fourth sum 5 by 16 into minus 4 by 15 into 12 by 10. Solution for this sum is 5 by 16 into minus 4 by 15 into 12 by 10. We have common factor 4 to cancel 16, and 4 is in place of 16. Can cancel 15 by 5. Now 3 is in the place of 15. Can cancel 12 by 4. 3 is in the place of 12 now, and 3 get cancelled in the numerator and denominator. The remaining numbers which we have to write as result are minus 1 by 10. Okay, in the numerator the number is minus 1, and in the denominator the number is 10. So the rational number minus 1 by 10 is the solution for this sum. Properties of division of rational numbers. First property, closure property. If A by B and C by D are the rational numbers, A by B divided by C by D is also a rational number. Let us take example 16. Find the value of second sum 5 by 9 divided by minus 10 by 3 to prove this property. Let us move on to the solution. A by B is equal to 5 by 9 and C by D is equal to minus 10 by 3. According to property, we have to divide A by B and C by D. Okay. In the place of A by B, 5 by 9 is written, and divide symbol. In the place of C by D, minus 10 by 3 is written. Now we know the rules to divide two fraction numbers. Okay, so we have to use that rules to divide these two rational numbers. Let us write the first number 5 by 9 as it is, and divide symbol is changes to multiplication, and the reciprocal of the second number, which is minus 3 by 10. Now there is common factor 3 to cancel 9. So in the place of 9 there is 3 now. Now we can cancel 10 by the common factor 5. On cancelling we get 2 in the denominator. Okay, there is no more number to divide by using common factor. So we have to multiply the denominators and write in the denominators, and we have to multiply the numerators and write in the numerator. Okay, on doing so we get minus 1 by 6 as the result. Minus 1 by 6 is also a rational number. Therefore, rational numbers are closed under division. Second property, if a by b is the rational number, a by b divided by 1 is equal to a by b, and a by b divided by minus 1 is equal to minus a by b. Let a by b is equal to 5 by 12. Let us take the first one to prove. A by b divided by 1 is equal to 5 by 12 divided by 1. Now we have to follow the rules to divide two fraction numbers. So, the first number is written as it is 5 by 12, and the multiplication symbol in the place of divide symbol, and the reciprocal of the second number. Okay, reciprocal of 1 is 1 again. So, on multiplying 5 by 12 into 1 by 1, we get 5 by 12 itself again. Whenever we multiply or divide by a number with 1, we get the same number itself. Okay, let us see the next one. A by b divided by minus 1 is equal to 5 by 12 divided by minus 1. 5 by 12, the first number is written as it is, and the second number's reciprocal should be written, and 1 by minus 1 is written here. Therefore, minus 5 by 12 is the solution for this sum. Third property, if a by b and c by d are rational numbers, a by b divided by c by d is not equal to c by d divided by a by b. Example 16, find the value of minus 12 by 17 divided by 18 by 51. This sum is taken to prove this property. Okay, let us move on to the solution. Let a by b is equal to minus 12 by 17 and c by d is equal to 18 by 51. Let us take the LHS. What is LHS? A by b divided by c by d. We have to substitute the values. On substituting we get minus 12 by 17 divided by 18 by 51. So we have to follow the rules to divide two rational numbers. Minus 12 by 17, first number is written as it is, and we have to write multiplication symbol instead of divide, and the reciprocal of second rational number is written here, which is 51 by 18. Is there any common factor to cancel? Yes, we can cancel 51 by 17. So 3 is in the place of 51. We can cancel 18 by 3. So we get 6 in the place of 18. Now 12 is get cancelled by 6. So 2 is replaced in the place of 12. Therefore the solution is minus 2. Now on RHS side we have C by D divided by A by B. Okay, let us substitute the values for A by B and C by D. We get 18 by 51 divided by minus 12 by 17. The first number 18 by 51 is written as it is, and multiplication symbol is written instead of divide, and the reciprocal of the second rational number is written, which is minus 17 by 12. Now we can cancel 51 by 17. 17 is the common factor. So 3 is in the place of 51 now. Now 18 can be cancelled by 3. On doing so, we get 6 in the place of 18. 12 is cancelled by 6. So we get 2 in the place of 12. Therefore, the solution for C by D divided by A by B is equal to minus 1 by 12. LHS is not equal to RHS. Therefore, A by B divided by C by D is not equal to C by D divided by A by B. Third Roman, find the quotients. First sum, 16 divided by minus 8 by 3. Thus, what is the solution for 16 divided by minus 8 by 3? We have to write 16 as it is and divide symbol into multiplication, and the reciprocal of minus 8 by 3 is minus 3 by 8. Now, there is a common factor 8 to cancel 16. On doing so, we get 2 in the place of 16. Now, we have to multiply 2 and minus 3. On doing, we get minus 6 as a result. Fourth sum, 6 by 7 divided by 9 by 21. Solution, 6 by 7 divided by 9 by 21. 6 by 7 is written as it is, and in the place of divide symbol we have to write multiplication, and the reciprocal of 9 by 21 is 21 by 9. There is a common factor 7 to cancel 21, and 3 is in the place of 21 now. 9 is cancelled by 3 and 3 is in the place of 9 now. 6 can be get cancelled by the common factor 3. 2 is in the place of 6 now. Therefore, the solution for this sum is 2. Fourth Roman, simplify. Second sum, 16 by 25 divided by 12 by 15 divided by 6 by 10. Let us move on to the solution for this sum. 16 by 25 divided by 12 by 15 divided by 6 by 10. Here there are 3 rational numbers to divide. Let us take first 2 rational number. So, we have to follow the rules. First, 16 by 25 is written as it is. Divide symbol is changes to multiplication, and the reciprocal of the second rational number 12 by 15 is 15 by 12. And the third rational number 6 by 10 is written as it is. Let us find solution for first 2 rational number first, and then we move on to the next one. Now, there is a common factor 5 to cancel 25 and 15. So, we have 3 in the place of 15 and 5 in the place of 25. Now, we can cancel 12 by 3. On doing so, we have 4 in the place of 12. Now, we can cancel 16 by 4. On doing so, we have 4 in the place of 16. Now, the remaining numbers in the sum is 4 by 5 divided by 6 by 10. So, we can write the first rational number 4 by 5 as it is, and the divide symbol is changes to multiplication, and the reciprocal of the second number, which is 10 by 6. Now, we can cancel 10 by the common factor 5. We get 2 in the place of 10. Now, 4 and 6 are cancelled by the common factor 2. So, we get 2 in the place of 4 and 3 in the place of 6. Now, the remaining numbers are multiplied in the numerator, which is 2 into 2, and in the denominator there is 3. On multiplying, we get 4 by 3 as a result for this sum. And the 4 by 3 is an improper fraction. We have to convert it into mixed fraction. Therefore, we get 1 by 3 as the result. Fourth sum, 5 by 14 into 2 by 3 plus 1 by 3. 2 by 3 and 1 by 3 are in bracket. Let us move on to the solution. We have to solve inside the bracket first. So, first we have to write 5 by 14 as it is, and we have to solve inside the bracket. The denominators are common. in 2 by 3 and 1 by 3. So it is written once and numerator are added. Therefore 2 plus 1 by 3 is in the bracket now. On simplifying, we get 5 by 14 into 3 by 3. 3 by 3 get cancelled. Therefore the solution for this sum is 5 by 14. Fifth Roman, find the value of each of the following. First sum 2 by 3 divided by 8 by 9 divided by 5 by 3. Solution for the first sum is 2 by 3 divided by 8 by 9 divided by 5 by 3. Here 2 by 3 divided by 8 by 9 is inside the bracket. So we have to solve that first. Let us solve. 2 by 3, the first number is written as it is, and multiplication symbol instead of divide, and the reciprocal of the second number 8 by 9 is 9 by 8. Okay, we have to solve inside the bracket first. So the third rational number is written as it is. So divide 5 by 3 is outside the bracket. Now we can cancel 9 by 3. 3 is the common factor there. Now 3 is in the place of 9. Can cancel 8 by 2. So 4 is in the place of 8 now. Now the first number is 3 by 4 and divided by the third number 5 by 3. We have to follow the same rule to divide two rational numbers. First 3 by 4 is written as it is, and multiplication symbol instead of divide, reciprocal of 5 by 3 is 3 by 5. There is no common factor to divide. So multiply the numerator with the numerator and denominator with the denominator. On doing so, we get 9 by 20 as a result for this sum. Fourth sum, 3 by 5 divided by 21 by 35 into 7 by 5. Move on to solution. 3 by 5 divided by 21 by 35 into 7 by 5. Okay. According to BD Morse rule, we have to divide the numbers first, then only we have to multiply. So let us divide 3 by 5 and 21 by 35. First number 3 by 5 is written as it is, and divide symbol changes to multiplication. Reciprocal of 21 by 35 is 35 by 21. Now the third rational number also written. Okay, which is 7 by 5. Multiplied with the first two rational number. Okay, is there any common factor to cancel? Yes, 5 is the common factor to cancel 35. So 7 is in the place of 35 now. And 21 is get cancelled by 3. 7 is in the place of 21 now. 7 get cancelled. The remaining number is 7 by 5. Is the solution for this sum. 7 by 5 is the solution for fourth sum. Sixth Roman, verify. First sum, 3 by 4 into 8 by 24 is equal to 8 by 24 into 3 by 4. We have to verify whether the LHS is equal to RHS or not. Let us move on to the solution. Now, in the LHS side, we have 3 by 4 into 8 by 24. On RHS side, we have 8 by 24 into 3 by 4. Let us solve LHS first. Here, 3 by 4 into 8 by 24. There is a common factor to cancel 24. 8 is the common factor. Now, by cancelling 8, we get 3 in the place of 24. 3 get cancelled. So, in the denominator, 4 is the only remaining number. Therefore, the solution for LHS is 1 by 4. Now, let us solve for RHS. RHS side, we have 8 by 24 into 3 by 4. 24 get cancelled by 8. On cancelling, we get 3 in the place of 24, and 3 get cancelled. So, the result is 1 by 4. RHS also, we get the same value 1 by 4. Therefore, LHS is equal to RHS. hence verified. 7th Roman, if A is equal to 3 by 5, B is equal to minus 2 by 5 and C is equal to 1 by 4, prove that third sum A into B minus C is equal to A into B minus A into C. Let us move on to the solution. Given A is equal to 3 by 5, B is equal to minus 2 by 5 and C is equal to 1 by 4. Let us take LHS first. In LHS we have A into B minus C. We have to substitute the values for A, B, C. On substituting we get 3 by 5 into minus 2 by 5 minus 1 by 4. We have to solve inside the bracket first. Inside the bracket we have minus 2 by 5 minus 1 by 4. Denominators differ. Let us use cross multiplication method to solve inside the bracket. So 3 by 5 is written as it is and multiplication symbol. Now we have to solve inside the bracket. Using cross multiplication we are going to solve. So we have to multiply the denominators, which is 5 and 4. On multiplying we have 20 as denominator, and now we have to cross multiply. 4 is multiplied with minus 2 and we have to write there, and the minus symbol is followed, and then we have to multiply 5 with 1, which is written. Okay, now inside the bracket we have minus 2 into 4 minus 1 into 5 divided by 20. So we have 3 by 5 into minus 2 into 4 minus 8. 1 into 5, 5. That is minus symbol. So minus 8 minus 5 divided by 20. This is inside the bracket now. So both the numbers minus 8 and minus 5 are in same sign. So we have to add the numbers, and adding we get 3 by 5 into minus 13 by 20. There is no common factor to cancel. So multiply the numerator with the numerator and denominator with the denominator. On multiplying we get minus 39 by 100. Let us find RHS. A into B minus A into C. We have to substitute values for A, B and C. On substituting we get 3 by 5 into minus 2 by 5 minus of 3 by 5 into 1 by 4. Let us multiply and find 3 by 5 into minus 2 by 5 first. On multiplying we get minus 6 by 25 minus, on multiplying 3 by 5 into 1 by 4 we get 3 by 20. Now the denominators differs. So let us take LCM for denominators 25 and 20. We have common factor 5 to divide 25 and 20. So let us divide by 5. On dividing by 5 we get 5, 4. There is no more common factor to divide. So let us find LCM for the numbers 5 into 5 into 4. On multiplying we get 100 as LCM. Now in first number we have 25 as denominator. So we have to multiply by 4. On multiplying we get minus 6 into 4 divided by 25 into 4 minus of. In second number we have 20 as denominator. So we have to multiply by 5. On multiplying we get 3 into 5 by 20 into 5. Now on multiplying minus 6 into 4 we have minus 24. In denominator 25 into 4 we have 100. Minus of 3 into 5 15, 20 into 5 100. Now denominators are common, so we have to add the numerators. In numerators we have minus 24 minus 15. So we can add the numbers, both are in common sign, and in denominator we have 100. On adding minus 24 and minus 15 we get minus 39 in numerator, and in denominator we have already 100. Okay, now the solution is minus 39 by 100. LHS is equal to RHS, hence proved. Thank you students.